Whenever. Or wait.
Ready?
Yep.
Firing. Oh, you literally
Nope.
do have to hit that one. Okay.
Attempt 2, I guess.
Alright, boom post right here.
I hear people down there.
No, I'm good.
This is gonna be loud. Closer, a little.
You almost got it.
Little lower. Oop.
I think you hit it that time.
Is it high or low?
I can't quite tell.
I can't see really good. It's high. It's all high. Okay, to the side. You get it?
Explosive rounds.
I don't know that scope.
No, it's too high.
Is the scope sighted in well? Probably.
Yeah, it's hard to see in.
Shooting that gravel hill.
I don't know. Jacob, were you using the scope? Was it pretty straight?
Well, it took me like 7 shots to get it dialed in.
Is it high? Does it shoot high? It shoots a
High.
little high.
Jacob, it shoots high.
Shoot well from there, it might be okay.
Watch out.
Roxy!
Roxy, come here. Come on.
She don't understand what's about to go down.
It might be okay from there, Jacob.
Misfire. Her.
That was way low to the right.
Way low? No, not really. No.
It was a little lower to the right.
Low to the right. Still low right.
Yeah, a little bit more left and a little bit higher.
He hit it. Still off right.
Yeah, I'll take a couple
moved.
shots.
Oh, he's gonna get closer.
You had to shoot for 22.
Oh, okay. Oh.
Well, he hit it.
Where's the kaboom?
It's all right. It won't go off. Just change it. You'll set it back up.
Yeah, y'all run up there.
Hold my beer. That stuff don't do that. Yeah, you gotta hit it dead center. Yeah, it takes a lot of energy to set that stuff off.
Now, he wasn't joking, like literally dead.
I think it's probably worse the second time because I know what's gonna happen. Ah, just light it on fire.
Oh no, just light it on fire.
Just light it on fire.
Yep.
Run.
Because it's all camera right. Jason bought some and used the 223 on it. So I don't know. I mean, it's 5.56. When he hits it, you'll know it.
He hit it!
Did you film it, Grayson?
I did.
I think it went through the cannon with the leaves behind.
Well,
Dead eye on that 410, buddy.